later this period. But if it's not on the website, it'll definitely be on the YouTube channel. Okay, so definitely YouTube, probably website, yes.
Why did I get it?
I'm gonna go over all of that right now. Now, listen up, here we go, ready? Here's the question. The question is, which of these has the greatest rate of change? And another word for rate of change is slope, increased by the slope. Now, here's the thing. If you're gonna put A, B, or C as your answer, I need to know why it's your answer based on your work. And a lot of people didn't show any work as to what they thought A was, B was, or what other people did is they showed A, they showed B, and then they didn't show anything for C. I think in their head they said to themselves, oh, I know it's 4, but they never wrote it down. And if you didn't write it down, how do I know that it's greater than A and greater than B? Now, what's the purpose of the first quiz in a series?
To learn.
You show you what you don't know. Show you what you need to get better at. This was actually a state assessment question, either the very first year they gave it to us, or they gave us some samples for the first year. So this might have been one of the samples. I can't remember which it was. But let's go through it now, because they always ask rate of change questions every year on that test. And the test starts tomorrow. So this is a great review question for right now. So the first thing they ask for is the rate of change here. And rate of change is slope. So it's change in y over change in x. I go up how many? 3. And I go over how many? 7. So it's 3/7. Somewhere on here you should mark that it is 3/7. Then we go to relation B. To find the rate of change here, I got to compare how much am I going up by. I'm going up by 3 over here. That's the change in y. And what is it over here? 1. So this rate of change is 3 over 1. This one is 4, and a lot of you forgot to write that down or didn't know what it was. I hope you knew what it was.
I wrote 4 over 1.
4 over 1 is okay.
Wait. I wrote that though, and I still got a 75.
Right, because now I needed to see this one and this one. Each one of these were worth 25. So if either of these was wrong, you lost the point for the one that was wrong. Then it goes to the answer of C. And what you need to say is basically that this rate of change here, boys, this rate of change here is larger than either of these two. So in my case, I wrote 4 is greater than the others. Okay? Now, again, I cannot emphasize this enough, that the whole point behind these quizzes is the very first one is supposed to reveal to you what it is that you don't know. I don't think we did anything that's that difficult. We've done a lot of this work during the course of the year. To me, this is more a test of your character than a test of your intellect. I think every person in the room can get the whole question right. But even if I'm slightly wrong and you can only get half or 3/4 of it right, that's still a lot more points than you got. You lost points not because you're dumb, because you're not dumb. You lost points because I don't think you understood exactly how to present your answer, exactly how to show what it was. So now that you have a better idea, I think you will know for tomorrow, and then you can get a really high grade on tomorrow. Does that make sense, everybody? Okay. Yes, Alice? 25? Okay, it doesn't matter. You're going to get 100 tomorrow. All right, so I'm not even worried about it. All right. Now, the next thing that we have to do is pass out the test that you took the other day. So, let's do that now. Some of you may have gotten these tests back already. If you were here Friday, I left it for the sub to get back to you. Giselle, here's some for you to pass back to us. Alex, here you go. Let's go, Candace. And let's go with Shania. There's only 2 there, Shania, but you can grab them.
I got 85. You're the one who.